Hi, this is Easy Ed, and today we will be looking at some more arithmetic operators. In the last minute, I asked you to try to figure out what the double slash does. Let's take a look at it now. If I use the single slash for division, the result will always be a float, no matter whether I am dividing integers or floats. However, if I use a double slash, Python will round the result down to the nearest integer and return this as the result. This is called floor division. We will look at two more arithmetic operators now. We use the double asterisk for exponents. So, for example, for 3 squared or 3 to the power of 2, I will enter 3 asterisk asterisk 2. The result is, of course, 9. For 5 to the power of 3, I will enter 5 asterisk asterisk 3. The result is 125. The second arithmetic operator is a bit more difficult to understand. It is called the modulus operator, and we use the percent sign for it. What this operator does is to divide the number on the left by the number on the right, and then return the remainder. Once again, this operator returns the remainder of the division of the two numbers. Let's take a look at this in action. One thing that the modulus operator is often used for is to check whether a number is even or odd. If a number is even, we can divide it by 2 with no remainder. If it is odd, and we divide it by 2, there will be a remainder. So if I want to check whether the number 8 is even, I can enter 8 modulus 2, and Python returns 0. This means that 8 can be divided by 2, and there is no remainder. Therefore, 8 is even. Let's see if 9 is even. 9 modulus 2. Python returns 1. This means that 9 is not divisible by 2 without a remainder, and therefore 9 is odd. One last thing to know about arithmetic operators is that they follow the order of operations that you may have learned in math class. PEMDAS, first parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and lastly addition and subtraction. So if I try 3 plus 8 times 4, Python will evaluate 8 times 4 first, and then will add 3 to the result. If I want to add 3 plus 8 first, I have to use parentheses. Alright, that's it for now. In the video description, I will give you a few mathematical expressions in Python. Try to figure out the answer by yourself and write it in the comments. Then check your answer by entering the expression in the idle shell. See you in the next minute.